Yeah, hi there, HK. This is Michael, and you're one of my 30-day TOEFL Writing Bootcamp course students. And thank you for sending me the writing practice test. I'm going to give you some basic feedback on the writing that you sent me. The main thing you want to get from this video is this. Keep each paragraph focused around the purpose of the writing task. That's really, really important for you right now. Okay, so let's take a look at the writing prompt. So it's more important to use the land for human needs like farms, houses, and factories than for saving endangered animals. That's kind of the idea here, right? Now let's take a look at each of these body paragraphs. So you say, I believe that land is required for people who need houses to live, farms to do agriculture, and factories to earn money, because availability of land would reduce the poverty in our country, and also it would increase employment. So that's a great thesis. I'm not going to mess with that. So then you say, first, at some places poverty is rapidly increasing because people, I'm going to get rid of the because of which here, because people could not fulfill their basic needs. I'm going to say, you might say something rapidly so setting aside land would help reduce rapidly increasing poverty in my country because people, this is not really hypothetical here. People cannot fulfill their basic needs. So to me, you have to say something about the land. The land. That's part of the writing prompt. Needs to be part of, it's in your thesis. It needs to be in these topic sentences. And then this particular paragraph needs to show, you're not doing this, but you need to show the causal relationship between setting aside land and then helping decrease the number of people who are poor in your country. Okay, let's look at the next one. Nowadays, industrialization is a crucial aspect for people to get a job so that they could take care of their family members. I'm going to say can. I'm going to say allocating more land How about allocating more land for human needs leads to industrialization? And then maybe do this. So I think if you make some slight changes, now the way that I reframe these paragraphs, it may move them in a different direction, but the topic sentences that I'm creating here, they exactly restate the purpose of your thesis and your topic sentences. So let's look at them one more time. Setting aside land would help reduce rapidly increasing poverty in my country because people cannot fulfill their basic needs. Second, nowadays, allocating more land for human needs leads to industrialization, a crucial aspect for people to get a job so they can take care of their family members with their income. So now we have two different topic sentences that more clearly state the purpose of the thesis and the writing prompt, and that's going to get you a much higher score. Okay, now, if you look over at the writing rubrics here, I don't know, you could probably argue you might not even score in the 3 range on this. You have addresses a topic and task using somewhat developed explanations. Number 4 is addresses the topic and the task well, and then 5 would be effectively addresses a topic and the task. The introduction and the thesis, yes, addresses a task, but the body paragraphs don't do a great job with that. So I'm going to put you right at the 3 area, 3.0 out of 5. I'm going to put you at 25 points or 20 points out of 30 on this particular practice test. The main thing here is you must address the writing prompt And the way that you frame your thesis and topic sentences will either make or break your TOEFL score.